Brussels sprouts, those tiny green veggies that are often overlooked, are actually a powerhouse of nutrition. In this video, we'll uncover the amazing health benefits of incorporating Brussels sprouts into your diet. Get ready to be amazed by the science-backed reasons why you should consider adding these little wonders to your plate. But before we dive into the benefits, let's take a moment to appreciate the deliciousness of Brussels sprouts. Whether roasted, sautéed, or steamed, these bite-sized wonders can add a burst of flavor and crunch to any meal. And the best part, they are incredibly good for you. So what makes Brussels sprouts so special? Let's start with their impressive nutritional profile. Brussels sprouts are low in calories but high in essential nutrients. They are an excellent source of fiber, vitamins C and K, and folate. They also contain small amounts of other important vitamins and minerals, such as vitamin A, vitamin B6, potassium, and manganese. In fact, Brussels sprouts are one of the most nutrient-dense vegetables you can eat. But it's not just about the nutrients. Brussels sprouts have been linked to a wide range of health benefits, supported by scientific research. Brussels sprouts are rich in fiber, which has been shown to help lower cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. They also contain compounds that can help improve blood vessel function and reduce inflammation, which are important factors for heart health. Brussels sprouts are part of the cruciferous vegetable family, known for their cancer-fighting properties. They contain compounds called glucosinolates, which have been shown to help inhibit the growth of cancer cells and reduce the risk of certain types of cancer, such as colon, lung, and breast cancer. The high fiber content of Brussels sprouts can also promote healthy digestion by supporting regular bowel movements and maintaining a healthy gut microbiome. Brussels sprouts are packed with vitamin C, which is known to boost the immune system and help the body fight off infections and diseases. Brussels sprouts are a good source of vitamin K, which plays a crucial role in bone health by helping to build and maintain strong bones. Vitamin K is also involved in blood clotting and can support overall cardiovascular health. With all these incredible health benefits, it's clear that Brussels sprouts are a nutritional powerhouse that can contribute to your overall well-being. So, how can you incorporate them into your diet? Brussels sprouts can be cooked in a variety of ways, making them versatile and delicious. Try roasting them with some olive oil and seasoning for a crispy and flavorful side dish, or sauté them with garlic and lemon for a tangy and savory twist. You can also add them to soups, stews, stir-fries, or salads for an extra boost of nutrition. The possibilities are endless. Incorporating Brussels sprouts into your diet can be a simple and delicious way to reap the amazing health benefits they offer. So, why not give them a try and discover the wonders of these tiny green gems for yourself? Thank you for joining us on this journey to uncover the incredible benefits of eating Brussels sprouts. Don't miss out on these nutritional powerhouses. Try adding them to your next meal and experience the difference they can make for your health. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe for more informative videos. Stay healthy and happy.